Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: headset charged, firmware and companion app up to date. Put on the headset and follow the guided calibration. This aligns sensors with your space. Once done, pair controllers and enable room tracking so virtual anchors map to your floor. Make sure to create a safe one. 5-meter zone, this prevents drift and collisions. These first actions reduce errors later, because accurate initial tracking is the foundation for stable mixed reality visuals and reliable interactions. Now you configure the experience itself. Choose pass-through for full real-world visibility or blended for virtual overlays. Pick the one matching your task. Then tune depth and brightness so virtual objects sit convincingly in front of or behind real items, and enable occlusion for correct layering. Next, map gestures and test inputs. This ensures interactions behave predictably. As you go, perform short interaction tests, grab, rotate, and drop to validate physics and alignment, making iterative adjustments for smooth, natural control. Finish by saving your spatial anchors so scenes persist across sessions. This avoids rebuilding setups every time. Make sure to rerun calibration whenever you change lighting or move furniture, because that alters sensor interpretations. Then test the full workflow from entry to exit, checking for alignment and latency. If you encounter drift or misalignment, recalibrate and restart sensors. Relocalize using saved anchors. A single recalibration usually fixes most issues. If not, power cycle the headset and re-establish the room.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.